Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the StuckPipe Pro Simulator, your AI-powered training and troubleshooting assistant for stuck pipe scenarios. Available now in the EXOPS AI GPT Store. When you launch StuckPipe Pro Simulator, you'll see 4 helpful conversation starters, each one built to teach, guide, and assist you through different stuck pipe situations. Let's start with, I'm new to drilling and want to learn about stuck pipe. Where should I start? This option gives beginners a clear, easy-to-follow foundation on causes, signs, and responses. Want hands-on training? Choose, Can you walk me through a stuck pipe simulation step by step? It's perfect for practicing in a realistic, guided environment. Working on a live operation? Just choose, I'm dealing with a stuck pipe issue right now. Can you help me troubleshoot? The simulator will walk you through decision-making in real time. And for proactive knowledge, try, what are the main causes of stuck pipe, and how can I prevent it? This option quickly outlines key contributors and preventative strategies for safer drilling. Now let's run a real simulation. We'll choose the step-by-step guide and enter a real-world scenario where differential sticking occurs during a trip out. Now let's run a real scenario with StuckPipe Pro Simulator. You've selected Advanced Level with Training Mode and chosen a pack-off event while pulling out of a high-angle well. The simulator loads realistic drilling parameters: 12,300 feet, 68 degrees inclination, 8.5-inch open hole, and 12.2 ppg mud weight. While pumping out, drag increases, pressure spikes, and flow drops. You're stuck. You reduce hook load, work pipe down, and jar strategically. Cuttings break loose, flow improves, and torque stabilizes. After a full bottoms up, you coordinate with the company man to increase mud weight. Once weighted up to a 12.5, the well stabilizes with no losses. This is hands-on stuck pipe training, realistic, responsive, and field-focused. Once the scenario ends, you'll receive a detailed summary of your decisions, what went right, what to improve, and what lessons apply. You can download it for training records or team debriefs. Whether you're learning the basics or troubleshooting a high-stakes operation, StuckPipe Pro Simulator gives you confidence and clarity. Try it now in the EXOPS AI GPT Store.